In the year 2032, urban mobility entered a new dimension with the emergence of the Volanaut air bike, a sleek, single-rider EVTOL electric vertical takeoff and landing craft designed for the future of city flight. Engineered by a team of ex-aerospace visionaries, the Volanaut glides above congested highways and rooftops using dual-duct rotors and an AI-assisted stabilization system, giving the rider the sensation of floating on air while cruising at speeds of up to 120 km per hour. The airbike operates on a solid-state battery system that delivers 25 minutes of flight time per charge, with swappable energy cores available for extended missions. Fully autonomous or manual flight modes allow users to ride or relax, as onboard sensors and navigation software map the environment in real time. Though still in the pre-commercial prototype phase, the projected retail price is expected to land near $290,000. In a remarkable display of engineering innovation, Japanese startup ALI Technologies has officially launched the Turismo Hoverbike, a hybrid aircraft motorcycle that's already turning heads across the globe. The Turismo blends a motorcycle-like design with drone-like flight capabilities, utilizing 6 rotors, 2 large main propellers and 4 smaller stabilizers to achieve stable lift and controlled flight. Built on a lightweight carbon fiber frame, the vehicle can reach speeds of 60 to 100 km per hour with a current flight time of up to 40 minutes depending on load and weather conditions. While the hoverbike is not yet street legal, it's marketed for use on private land, racetracks, and for emergency response demonstrations. The Turismo is already available for pre-order, priced at approximately $555,000. Kia Atmos is a solar-powered, high-altitude, long-endurance HAL unmanned aerial vehicle UAV developed by Kia Aerospace, a New Zealand-based company. This innovative aircraft is designed to operate in the stratosphere at altitudes between 50,000 to 65,000 feet, well above commercial air traffic and weather systems. With a wingspan of 12.5 meters and weighing less than 40 kilograms, the Kia Atmos is engineered for extended flight times, aiming for multi-month continuous operation in future versions. Its primary applications include high-resolution aerial imaging for environmental monitoring, disaster response, maritime awareness, and telecommunications, offering a cost-effective alternative to satellites and greater persistence than conventional aircraft. Strap in, or don't, because the Zapata S-Fly doesn't believe in cockpits, harnesses, or even a seat. This is raw, untethered flight at its most extreme. Built by Frankie Zapata, the mind behind the Flyboard Air, the S-Fly is essentially a jet-powered flying Segway that lets you stand upright while soaring through the sky. We're talking turbojet engines, autonomous stabilization, and a top speed rumored to exceed 80 miles per hour, with the wind in your face and nothing between you and open air. It's designed for vertical takeoff and landing VTOL, controlled by subtle body shifts and a set of intuitive hand grips. And yes, you can take off from flat ground, water, or even the roof of a truck. The Lazareth LMV496, also known as La Moto Volante, is a groundbreaking creation by French designer Ludovic Lazareth, hailed as the world's first transforming flying electric motorcycle. This remarkable vehicle boasts a jet turbine integrated into the hub of each wheel. With the simple flick of a switch, the LMV496 transitions from a street-legal electric motorcycle to a flying machine. In flight mode, hydraulic actuators tilt the wheels outwards and upwards, allowing the jet engines to provide approximately 1,300 horsepower of thrust for about 10 minutes of airborne operation. Notably, the current prototype can hover around 1 meter above the ground, with ongoing engineering efforts focused on enhancing its flight capabilities. For safety, each wheel is equipped with a parachute, I never thought I'd get the chance to fly something that feels like it came out of a sci-fi movie, but the Sky Surfer aircraft made that fantasy feel real and surprisingly doable. It's an electric VTOL, designed for one rider, and the experience is like floating on a breeze. With 8-duct electric fans quietly generating lift, the Sky Surfer cruises at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour and stays in the air for about 25 to 30 minutes on a single charge. One thing I really appreciated was its payload capacity of around 500 pounds, enough for most adults and a small backpack or light gear. The frame itself is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber composites, which keeps the aircraft nimble but strong. The Arcaboard was an electric commercial hoverboard developed by ARCA Space Corporation, unveiled in December 2015 and announced for purchase. This personal transportation device utilized 36 high-power electric duct fans, generating up to 272 horsepower, to lift a person weighing up to 110 kilograms. Depending on the version, it offered a flight time of up to 6 minutes and could reach a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour while hovering approximately 30 centimeters above the ground. Controlled via a mobile phone application or by body movements with the stabilization system turned off, the Arcaboard was constructed from aerospace-grade composite materials and priced at $14,900, with an optional charging dock available separately. The Blackwing 635RG is a high-performance ultralight aircraft manufactured by Blackwing Sweden. This two-seater aircraft boasts a sleek design with a carbon fiber airframe and retractable landing gear. It is known for its impressive speed, achieving a maximum level true airspeed (TAS) of 370 km per hour, 230 miles per hour. The BW635RG is powered by a Rotax engine, with options ranging from 100 to 141 horsepower depending on local regulations. Equipped with advanced Garmin avionics, including the G3X touch display and autopilot, it offers a modern and capable cockpit. Its performance characteristics include a rapid rate of climb and relatively short takeoff and landing distances, making it a versatile aircraft for both sport and touring flights with a significant range. This isn't just a motorcycle with wings, it's a jet-powered masterpiece born from aerospace-grade ambition. Designed with 4 compact turbojet engines, the speeder delivers vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capabilities, allowing riders to lift off from nearly any surface and reach breathtaking speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. Built from lightweight carbon fiber and titanium, this airborne vehicle can ascend beyond 15,000 feet, all while being steered effortlessly through a joystick-based fly-by-wire system. Flight time ranges between 10 to 20 minutes, depending on payload and conditions, with the ability to carry up to 250 pounds of weight. Fueled by Jet A1, kerosene, or diesel, the speeder combines raw thrust with elegance in motion. The Hero Flyerman Drone 03 was a full-scale, electric multi-rotor aircraft specifically engineered for the entertainment and marketing sectors. Its design featured a modular system where each motor, controller, battery, and associated electronics operated as an independent power module. This redundancy ensured that the failure of one module would not affect others, allowing for continued safe flight. Notably, the Hero Flyer incorporated 2 completely isolated, self-powered flight stabilization systems that operated independently of GPS, barometric sensors, magnetometers, or radio signals to prevent external interference. Safety was a key consideration, with the pilot receiving vibration feedback in their helmet to monitor the status of both primary and backup systems without needing to visually check instruments. The Yihang 184 was an ambitious project by the Chinese drone manufacturer Yihang, representing the world's first electric-powered autonomous aerial vehicle AAV designed for passenger transport. Unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Show CES in 2016, this single-passenger drone aimed to revolutionize personal transportation by offering a self-flying experience to pre-programmed destinations. With its 8 propellers and electric motors, the Yihang 184 could carry a passenger up to 100 kilograms for approximately 23 minutes at a cruising speed of 100 kilometers per hour. Its autonomous nature meant passengers wouldn't require a pilot's license, instead using a smartphone app to input their desired location. In a world where wheels no longer define movement, the Cyclorotor X1 emerges as a flying marvel, a rotor-powered personal air bike designed for the bold. Inspired by insect flight mechanics and backed by advanced cycloidal rotor technology, this concept flies vertically like a drone but glides with the agility of a falcon. The prototype, developed by researchers at the Technical University of Munich, features 4 rotating cyclorotors, allowing precise control and vertical takeoff. With a projected top speed of 70 km per hour and a potential flight time of 20 to 30 minutes, it's a glimpse into the urban air mobility of tomorrow. Estimated future price? Around $400,000 to $600,000 if it ever reaches commercial production. Straddling the line between drone and superbike, the Scorpion 3 by Hoversurf is one of the most radical personal flying machines to ever lift off the ground. Imagine a cross between a motorcycle and a quadcopter. That's the essence of this electric-powered hoverbike. Built on a lightweight carbon fiber frame, the Scorpion 3 is equipped with 4 powerful electric propellers and a digital control system that allows for both manual piloting and semi-autonomous flight. The experience feels raw and exhilarating, like taming a mechanical beast mid-air. It can reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour and hover at altitudes of around 5 meters, although higher altitudes are technically possible in untethered tests. With a flight time of roughly 15 to 25 minutes, depending on rider weight and conditions. The Doroni H1X is a concept designed for a 2-passenger electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft being developed by Doroni Aerospace in Florida, USA. Nicknamed the Hummingbird, this sleek aircraft is intended for advanced air mobility and envisions applications such as personal and corporate travel, emergency medical services, search and rescue, firefighting, air cargo, and even military operations due to its potentially low noise and heat signature. The H1X features duct propellers for safety and noise reduction, an intuitive joystick control with takeoff and landing buttons, a self-stabilizing flight system, autonomous navigation, and 360-degree anti-collision capabilities, with the possibility of remote piloting. Altovolo Sigma is a groundbreaking personal hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft poised to revolutionize both the eVTOL and helicopter markets. This 3-passenger vehicle boasts an impressive 500-mile range and a cruise speed of 220 miles per hour, significantly outperforming many existing eVTOLs. Its hybrid electric tilting jet propulsion system contributes to its efficiency and remarkably low noise levels, being over 80% quieter than traditional helicopters, making it suitable for use in residential areas. The Sigma's compact design, with a width of just 4.8 meters and a weight of 980 kilograms, allows it to land on driveways, rooftops, and yachts, eliminating the need for traditional airport infrastructure. In a world where gravity is optional, Mansory dares to dream louder. The Mansory flying hypercar is an audacious fusion of automotive aggression and airborne elegance. Known for redefining luxury supercars, Mansory now lifts its vision into the sky with a prototype that feels like it escaped from tomorrow. Rumored to pack a hybrid propulsion system, turbocharged engine for road dominance, electric VTOL thrust for takeoff, it's crafted from lightweight carbon composites. It features sharp aerodynamic lines, sculpted intakes, butterfly doors, and a cockpit like a stealth fighter's bridge. Top road speed may exceed 250 miles per hour, 402 kilometers per hour, with aerial cruising near 300 kilometers per hour. Price remains undisclosed, but estimates float between $2 million and $3.5 million.